To get further information about message cleaning, please refer to the EDX Administration Guide, Chapter 6.8 How to configure deleting job. By default, EDX Toolbox runs deleting job every 2 minutes, which deletes messages from the database and contents from DMS, which are older than 168 hours. Periods for deleting from the database and from DMS can be configured independently, so it's possible to delete DMS contents and keep the messages in the database for some time. Because it's not possible to find DMS content after the message record is removed from the database, removing of the database record also deletes DMS content if it's still present in DMS. Message deleting threshold can be configured by the edx.toolbox.deleting.deleteOlderThan property, which defines a period in hours after which messages older than this value are deleted from the database. Default value of this property is 168 hours. DMS message deleting threshold can be configured by the edx.toolbox.deleting.dms.deleteOlderThan property. This property defines a period in hours after which the DMS contents of messages older than this value are deleted from DMS. The value is used only when it's lower than the value of the deleteOlderThan property, otherwise the value of DMS.deleteOlderThan property is ignored. Finally, the delay between runs of deleting jobs can be configured by edx.toolbox.deleting.deleteJobDelay property. The delay is defined in milliseconds and default value is 2 minutes. When configuration is ready, the restart of EDX Toolbox is required. After the application start, the deleting job is successfully configured. To get further information about audit log, please refer to the EDX Administration Guide Chapter 8 How to enable separate audit log file. EDX Toolbox uses application, audit and Tomcat Catalina logs. All these files are located in var log EDX Toolbox. By default, application log and audit log are merged together in edx.log file. Nevertheless, the audit log can be configured to use separate file. To enable this separation, add EDX audit to spring.profiles.active property and restart the application. After the start of EDX Toolbox, the edxaudit.log file will be created. To get further information about logs, please refer to the EDX Administration Guide Chapter 21 Configure log size and rotation. Logs are automatically compressed after reaching 50 MB and maximum size of all archived logs is 70 MB. Note that the size of 70 MB includes all compressed files and the live one. This behavior can be changed by configuration in edxlogback.xml. To change the maximum size of single log file, find property with name logback rolling policy max file size and change its value. To change maximum size of all archived logs, find and change logback rolling policy total size cap property. You can also change the logback rolling policy max history property, which defines the number of days the archives will be stored. The default value of this property is 7 days. There are two more properties that can be added to edxlogback.xml. The first one is logback rolling policy clean history on start property with values true or false. If the value is true, all log files will be deleted during start of EDX. Default value is false. The second one is logback rolling policy file name pattern property, which defines the file name pattern for rolled over log files. For more information about file name pattern, please refer to the EDX administration guide. To apply all configuration changes, restart of EDX is required. The log rotation is successfully configured.